How's it going YouTube? It's Sean here, back today to give you guys a review of the New Balance 998 in the Burgundy and Chalk colorway. This is my latest pickup that I got through a Net Magnetism raffle win. Net Magnetism is an online sneaker retailer, and they're probably most known for their online raffles. Usually how it goes is basically there's a grand prize, something like, for example, a Union Jordan 1 or a Travis Scott Jordan 1. And then they'll have a bunch of runner-up winners where, say for example, the next 50 will get a random dead stock shoe. So essentially each raffle ticket that you buy is $11 US. So I bought 3 tickets, which is $33 US, and I ended up with this win. These New Balances are actually a 2019 release and they retailed for $180 US or $280 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is Burgundy and Chalk. And when I first unboxed this shoe, the first thing I thought of is that it really has like a Para Amsterdam vibe. Diving straight into the sneaker, so the toe box area, this is constructed out of a chalk colored mesh. Right above this white part right here, this is actually 3M, which gives it that reflective property. And then covering the majority of the upper of the shoe, including the edge of the toe box, here we have this beautiful burgundy colored suede. This burgundy suede covers the mid panel of the shoe as well, and then overlaid on top, we have the New Balance N logo done in 3M, and this is done in a combination of teal with a white backing underneath. Next to this, we have this black TPU for added support, and then above this, there's this small hit of chalk colored mesh once again. Wrapping around the back heel, we have more of that burgundy suede. Above that, we have an accent of white 3M, and then the top of the heel is covered in gray 3M with the New Balance logo embroidered in that teal color. Hugging the bottom of the back heel, we have additional TPU for added heel support, and this gives a good added amount of rigidity to the shoe. As for the laces, these come with a burgundy flat style lace, and then underneath this, we have a full suede tongue with 998 and Made in USA branding embroidered at the top. The interior of these New Balances is lined in a soft black textile, and then pulling out the insoles, these come with your standard black colored New Balance insole, which has New Balance branding on the heel in white. The upper of these New Balances sits atop this two-tone colored midsole. On the forefoot, you'll see how this is white, and then along the back heel, it's done in this off-white or light tan color. This incorporates New Balance's Absorb technology, so we have Absorb branding etched on the lateral side. The midsole pattern on the medial side is a little bit different, so on this side there's a bit more of that white showing, along with these grooves that are found in the middle. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here's your standard New Balance 998 outsole. This is for the most part entirely done in black colored rubber, but we have this revealed foam on the medial side, which is this white part right here. In terms of sizing, so usually I feel like New Balances run a little bit bigger. My feet measures as a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I was sent a size 10 in these, and to my surprise, they run a little bit snug. In the past, I found that the New Balance 998 is definitely more of a true to size, or if anything, a half size down shoe. But for some reason, this specific colorway fit a little bit more true to size, and it was a little bit tight even around this forefoot area right here. Because of my wider feet, I could kind of feel it pinching right here, so I would definitely not recommend half size down for this specific model. But it's a little bit strange because New Balance 998s, in my past experience, I was fine true to size, and I know a lot of people that go a half size down. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so the New Balance 998, especially compared to something like the New Balance 997, is much more comfortable. The midsole feels much more plush with the Absorb technology, and it doesn't have that hard heel feeling that the New Balance 997 has. However, being that this is a shoe from 1993, it's not going to be earth-shattering, it's not going to be like the best shoe you've ever worn, but it's still a very, very solid, very comfortable shoe all around. Last but not least, quality. So New Balance, it goes without saying, the quality on this shoe was amazing. And being that this is a made in USA New Balance, let's just say my expectations were pretty high to begin with, and the quality on the shoe met those expectations. So with all that being said now, let's lace up these Burgundy and Chalk New Balance 998s, and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I don't own too many pairs of the New Balance 998, but I gotta say, it is one of the best looking silhouettes from New Balance. I also really like this color. As I mentioned from the beginning, it kind of has like a para Amsterdam vibe to it. And of all the shoes in my collection, I don't think I have too many things that are, first of all, burgundy, and second of all, burgundy with this amazing splash of teal. This is definitely going to be more of a unique piece in my collection and something that really stands out. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this burgundy and chalk New Balance 998. How do you guys feel about the silhouette itself and the colorway? And do you think this was a worthy prize for $33 in raffle entries? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8. Check out my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.